going to do a quick install video of the bull ring tie downs for the bed liner on the 2022 Santa Cruz. Pretty easy install. I already did 2 of them, so I'll show you how to do the other 2 that I have remaining to go on the left side of the car. What you'll need is a screwdriver of any type. I'm using a Dremel because it's easier to cut out the slots, and then a razor blade. You can do the whole thing with just the razor blade, but it's going to take a lot longer. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate these little rectangular spots right here. They don't pop out. You're going to actually have to cut them out. And using a razor blade, like I said, it works, but it's just going to take a little bit longer. I used a Dremel on the other 2 sides and it seemed to work just fine. It was pretty quick and easy. So I'll go ahead and get to it now. Now that I have it kind of boxed out in terms of cuts, you don't have to worry about too much of the overcutting with the Dremel, because the actual external pieces of the bull ring will cover it. So all I'm doing is taking this razor blade and trimming the portions that I didn't take with the Dremel itself. So kind of just did some straight lines with the Dremel. And then all I have to do is just kind of work out the parts that I didn't cut. You see, and it kind of just pops up like that. Just clean off all the excess. Doesn't have to look perfect because it's going to get covered by the bull ring. Now for the bull ring itself, what you're going to do is you're going to loosen these screws all the way on both ends. So loosen those all the way. And then now you're going to have that it's loose on the bottom. And all you're going to do is just angle it so that way these hooks, the metal hook right here, can grab the metal portion inside. I'll show you that. You see it right here. So you just want to get this angled in a way to where it gets in hooked, and then you just kind of slide it, center it, and pop it in. And for the tightening, you're going to pull the ring up and then screw in each screw on either side and get it to where it's tight. And that's it. Super easy install. You can do that in all 4 quarters.